How much should you actually spend on an inkjet printer for screen printing? Because some people are happy buying the cheaper models while others swear by the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, UOKHO Transparency Film. First up is the UOKHO 30 Sheets Transparency Film Paper. At just $6.99, this product caught my eye because of its stellar 4.6-star rating from 1,400 reviews. If you want clear, vibrant prints for your screen printing projects, this is worth a serious look. This is crucial because clear image visibility is what you need when transferring designs. You'll appreciate the optimized drying performance, too. It dries faster than regular paper, so your prints are ready to go in no time without smudging. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're working on a tight deadline, having quick-drying film can save you a lot of hassle. Now, some people complained about the film not being sticky, which is true. It's not self-adhesive, so if you're looking for something that sticks, this might not be for you. But if you're using it purely for printing and not for adhesive applications, that's not a deal-breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable transparency film for various printing applications. Skip this one if you need something that adheres to surfaces. For the price, you really can't go wrong here. Now, if the transparency film's lack of stickiness bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach with more versatility. Product number 2, Kato Screen Printing Kit. Next up is the Kato 23 Pieces Screen Printing Starter Kit, priced at $33.99. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,700 reviews, this kit stood out to me because of its comprehensive approach for beginners. If you're looking to dive into screen printing without the guesswork, this is definitely worth considering. It means you can easily tackle various projects, whether you're printing on t-shirts, bags, or more. The included inkjet transparency film is also a big plus, letting you transfer your designs effectively. Plus, you get practical accessories like an ink knife and masking tape, which can really make the process smoother. Here's why this matters. Having everything in one package saves you time and effort in sourcing individual components. However, some users have pointed out that the squeegees might feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, they work perfectly fine for most casual printing projects, but if you're looking for heavy-duty equipment, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner eager to try out screen printing at home. Skip this one if you're looking for professional-grade tools right off the bat. For the money, it's a fantastic starting point. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want to make vibrant colors pop. Product number 3, Speedball Fabric Ink Set. Now let's talk about the Speedball Fabric Screen Printing Ink Starter Set for $29.99. With a remarkable 4.7-star rating and over 5,700 reviews, this set genuinely surprised me with its vibrant colors. If you want your designs to stand out, this is a must-have. The set includes 6 essential colors: black, white, red, yellow, blue, and green, all in 4 Oz jars. What's really neat is that these water-based inks are easy to mix, allowing you to create your own custom shades. They apply smoothly, ensuring even coverage, which is crucial for a clean print. Plus, they're non-toxic and safe for classrooms, so you can print with peace of mind. Here's why this matters for you. The permanent finish after heat setting means your prints will last longer than traditional iron-ons, making them ideal for fabric items. However, some users mentioned that the colors may not be as vibrant as they expected on certain fabrics. Now, while that can be frustrating, it really depends on the fabric type and how you heat set the ink. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable ink set for fabric printing. Skip this one if you're only working on paper or cardboard. For the quality and versatility, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if the fabric ink's limitations concern you, the next product might just be the versatile all-rounder you need. Product number 4, Canon PIXMA TS4320. Next is the Canon PIXMA TS4320 Wireless Color Inkjet Printer, priced at $69.99. With a 4.2-star rating from around 1,300 reviews, this one caught my attention because it balances affordability with quality. If you need an all-in-one solution for both screen printing and everyday tasks, this is worth checking out. It handles duplex printing, which means you can save on paper while getting your projects done faster. Here's why this matters for you. If you're frequently printing designs or documents, this feature can streamline your workflow significantly. Plus, its compact design makes it easy to fit into any workspace without sacrificing functionality. Now, some users found the setup process a bit tricky, which I can relate to. But I'll be real with you, once you get it up and running, it's smooth sailing from there. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable printer that does it all. Skip this one if you need something with advanced professional features. For the price, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you're looking for something even more advanced, this final pick brings some impressive tech to the table. Product number 5, HP Envy 6155E. Finally, we have the HP Envy 6155E wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer, priced at $159.89. With a 4-star rating from 2,800 reviews, it stands out for its additional features and ease of use. If you want an intuitive printer that makes printing simple, this should be on your radar. It includes features like automatic duplex printing and a user-friendly touchscreen interface. Here's why this matters. With HP's AI technology, it ensures that your prints come out looking just the way you want them without wasted pages. Plus, the instant ink subscription is a nice touch, automatically sending you ink when you need it, which is a major convenience. However, some users reported slower print speeds compared to other models. While that can be a downside, it's often not a deal breaker if you're using it for general home printing and not for high-volume jobs. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use printer that covers all bases. Skip this one if you need something super fast. For the features you get, it offers great value. In summary, if you're looking for a reliable transparency film, the UOKHO is a great start. For a complete beginner kit, the Kato kit covers all the basics. If vibrant colors are your priority, then the Speedball ink set is perfect. The Canon PIXMA is an excellent all-rounder for home use, while the HP Envy offers advanced features for those who want convenience. Each option brings something unique to the table, so choose what fits your needs best.